I feel so fortunate that we were able to get a STEAM teacher this year to work with our upper elementary kids. It just took the STEAM Innovation Lab to the next level. Now we have something that's consistent week by week and a lot of collaboration between our STEAM teacher, Miss Bell, and the classroom teachers.
STEAM gives the opportunity for students to have a hands-on approach to real-world problems. So it's problem-based learning, and it's fun, it's future-focused, and just the opportunities for them to get excited and really be rich in vocabulary and experiences.
I think in terms of expanded opportunities, new opportunities for our kids, and the rigor and relevance around the work that they're doing now, it's incredible. The challenges we saw even over the summer that they were doing with Miss Bell, a lot of problem-based learning and kids coming up with solutions on their own, has taken this already to the next level.
Gives them the time to get confident with their learning. They make mistakes and they get to try it again. They get to have hands-on experiences where it's put into the curriculum and it reinforces the vocabulary and the content of what they're learning in the classroom as well.
The level of engagement seems at such a higher point. And the excitement, like you can see it's visible in smiles, their excitement, and how they collaborate with other kids. It's a special place. There's a lot of room to work, new furniture in there, and I think kids sense that, and their excitement level is like through the roof.